From the state capitol in Richmond, I'm Craig Carper. Governor Ralph Northam signed bills today that conform Virginia's tax code to federal rules following the 2017 Trump tax cuts. The law will return nearly $1 billion to taxpayers and allows the state to begin processing tax returns immediately. The package includes tax rebates of $110 for individual filers and $220 for married couples. And it raises the standard deduction by 50% beginning in tax year 2019.
I think it's a good thing for families. Say for the average firefighter married to a teacher, it could be about $800 back. That's real money to a lot of families, and we're glad we did it.
Before the governor's racist photo scandal, he had intended to capture the additional $1 billion created by the Trump tax reform and spend it on new programs. Some Democrats had pushed back against the plan, saying they wanted greater relief targeted specifically to low-income workers. Ultimately, the bill passed with broad bipartisan support after Republicans put additional spending on the table for education and eviction prevention as they negotiate a final budget. For Assembly 19, I'm Craig Carper.
Broadcast of Assembly 19 is brought to you by the Virginia Education Association. An investment in Virginia teachers today will bring dividends tomorrow.